Good day, kids. Can you count the number of red blocks as well as the yellow blocks as fast as you can? Can you give me the different ways to count? Can you see any difference? That will be our lesson today. In this video, we are going to introduce to you the 4 major math operations, namely addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Throughout the lessons, we will be using figures of 10 columns by 10 rows. I repeat, these are the 10 columns and these are the 10 rows. Now, can you think of ways on how to count these blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For the first row, we have 10 blocks. For the second row, we have another 10 blocks. For the third row, we have another 10 blocks. Now let's move on to the fourth row. We have another 10 blocks. On the fifth row, of course, there is another set of 10 blocks. And this goes on and on until we finished the 10th row. One of the 4 major operations in mathematics is addition. Paano kaya tayo matutulungan ng addition upang makount natin ang mga number of blocks? Excited na ako upang maituro sa inyo kung paano. Tara! The total blocks on the first row is 10, plus 10 on the second row to make it 20. For the third row, we have 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. On the fourth row, we have another 10. Ang ibig sabihin nito, mula sa first row hanggang matapos ang fourth row, meron tayong 40 red blocks. Now let's go on the fifth row. Another 10 blocks will be added to 40, that becomes 50. Let's continue adding on the sixth row, on the seventh row, on the eighth row. After adding 10 red blocks on the 9th row, we already have 90 pieces of red blocks. And on the 10th row, we have 90 plus 10 is equal to 100 pieces of red blocks. Now let's go to multiplication. Multiplication is actually repeated addition. In this figure, we are repeatedly adding 10 red blocks. We will go on details on the succeeding lessons. As we have already known that this figure contains 100 red blocks. How about this figure? Can you figure out how many red blocks are there? Now we have other slides to show you. Can you tell us the number of red bricks as well as the yellow bricks? Gulang na gustong isali ang mga anak upang mas lalo silang magiging mahusay, mangyari po lamang makipag-ugnayan sa mga admin. I-search lang sa Facebook ang IVFC Early Learners Info page. Ito ay isang libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children.